Hello friends, today we will be replacing the charging port for Samsung Galaxy A22 4G model. As mostly Samsung phone open from the back side, so apply some heat with the help of air gun to make it soft the glue underneath. Please follow the instructions carefully and use the tool and the hand pressure accordingly. It is advisable to take your time and maintain patience throughout the process. Then use the glue softener liquid as showing inside the video to open the back cover. There are multiple screws needed to unlock from the top and the bottom portion. Take SIM tray out and unplug Touch ID flex cable from the motherboard. Now start separating back panel from the frame with the help of tools. Unplug the battery connector and the main logic board flex. After that, move to charging board to pull it out. First open this screw. And unplug this antenna cable from this board. Replace it with charging board and secure it with screws. Don't forget to plug antenna cable back to the board. Plug all the flexes back to the board and test it. Okay, it is working perfectly. Now repeat the process backward and assemble everything as showing inside the video. Put all the screw back in place and insert the SIM tray. Place the back cover with the help of T7000. Let it dry for 3 hours. We would appreciate if you could like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.